What's up? Welcome back again to the YouTube channel. My name is Tyler and welcome to the series about the life of my mini $300 Forex trading account. Real quick before I get into the week review, I want to welcome my 2 new subscribers. I don't know who you are because YouTube doesn't show me, but I appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. Just in case you missed last video, I will put it in the top right of this video, the little tag. In that video, I lost one trade and I left the account on $295.83. I also got into another trade that week. As you can see, I'm still in the trade and nothing has happened at all. All Euro Yen has been doing all week is consolidating, but hopefully very soon one of the sides is going to give up and I'll have a huge rally, hopefully downwards. So now I'm just gonna continue to sit on my hands and wait for this trade to play out. So during this week, I saw a potential setup on GJ or Pound Yen. Looking at the daily chart, at this point in September, you can see that it formed a pin bar candlestick pattern, signaling a potential reversal and also forming a potential supply zone. Then the next 2 days formed 2 big red candles, showing another signal that there may be a financial institution or a bank or a big bank holding some rejection in this area. So drawing my 2 horizontal lines at the high and the low of the pin bar, I formed my supply zone. You can see, looking at the entire daily chart, after drawing my supply zone, you can see that in November the zone has been tested right here, but then quickly got rejected. And then in December it has been tested a couple times, but it's still having trouble breaking through the supply zone. You can see at this point right here, price formed a bearish engulfing, signaling a strong group of sellers around this area. So my entry point for this trade was half of the red candle, with my stop loss barely above all of these highs and my take profit below these lower lows or lower support levels. But taking a look at the monthly chart, you can see that it is creating lower highs. So starting from this point, it's made a high, made a lower high, and then another lower high, and then right here it's making another lower high, and this is the supply zone. It's also forming a little like doji kind of pin bar. So this GJ trade was taken on December 7th. Today is currently December 11th, and the trade closed sometime between the 10th or the 11th. All I know is that that trade hit take profit during the Asian session. The order was placed on the 7th and I didn't enter until the 8th. So let's take a look at what happened during the trade. So on the day of entry, which was right here, so this is the 8th. On the day of entry, price moved up and entered the zone right here. It stayed there for a while, and then towards the end of the day, it fell below the zone, and then the next day it was a big continuation downwards. Then the day after that was a continued selling pressure straight into my take profit. So for this trade, I netted $29.21, taking my trading account to $323.58. Currently, I don't have my eyes on any pairs yet, but once markets reopen on Sunday, y'all will be the first to know when I make a trade. That's all for this week's review. If you made it this far into the video, I thank you, and as always, don't forget to like the video, and if you're new, subscribe. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.